This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Hi, good morning to everyone. Welcome to SAP CPI integration course. And this is Charan, and I'm having 8 years of industrial experience on SAP CPI and PIPO. And I started my career with PIPO, then I jumped to SAP CPI. And from last 4 years, I'm working on SAP CPI technology, and I'm working as an lead. Okay. And you just introduce about yourself in one line so that I can understand who all are from technical background and who are from non-technical background. You just give your name and your years of experience. If you don't have any experience, that's fine. But you just give about yourself in one line.
Yeah, hi Charan, Laukusha here. I have 5 years of experience into SAP PIV. Currently, I'm working on SAP PIPO.
Yeah. Okay, Lavku.
Hi, sir. Ramkrishna have 4 years experience and non-technical background.
Okay, Ramakrishna.
Hi
Yeah, hi
Charan,
Charan.
Aditya here. I have 10 years of experience. I'm from functional background SAP HR.
Yeah, okay. Great. Great to hear that.
Yeah, hi Charan. Good
Myself
morning.
Mahesh Kumar.
This is
Sir,
Praveen.
Yeah, Praveen,
Sorry.
go on.
Yeah, sorry. I'm Praveen, working on TIPCO, and I have about 12 years of experience on TIPCO integration platform.
Yeah. Okay, great, great.
yeah, myself Mahesh Kumar from Tirupati. I have 3 years experience in sales.
Yeah. Okay, Mahesh.
Kumar here. I'm having 2 years of experience in PIPO.
Yeah, great.
Hi, myself Yugandhan. I am 2 years experience in hospitals. I'm a anesthesia technician.
Yeah, okay.
My name is Jahir Nawaz. I'm 2 years experience in sales field.
Yeah, okay, Jahil.
Hi Charan, I am Sai Kumar. I have
Yeah,
experience in accountant in Bajaj Electronics.
yeah, okay, Sai. Yeah,
Hi, Charak bro. My name is G. Srinivas. I am experienced in sales field 3 years.
yeah, okay, Srinivas.
Hi Charan, Sagmesh here. Around 10 years of experience in SAP Fiori UFI.
Yeah, okay, great, great.
Hi, I am Krishna. I am Hari Krishna, sir. I am a fresher in.
Okay, yeah, okay, Hari Krishna. Yeah, who else missing? Did everyone introduce about yourself, or is there anyone still need to discuss? Okay, if nothing, then I'll start with my demo class today. Okay, and before starting with the demo session, this class should be the interaction class. Okay, from first class onwards, you should be interact with me. Okay, if I ask any questions, or it should be an two-way communication. Okay, this point is you should have to note down this point. Okay, it's a two-way communication. Each and every topic and everything should be. I'll ask each and every topic and the questions and everything. Okay, you should have to prepare by your own self. Okay, that's fine. Let's start with the demo. The training is all about SAP CPI. Okay. Now, what is an SAP CPI? Okay. Now, why we need to learn SAP CPI here? Okay, because we have a lot of technologies in the industry, but why we need to prefer to go with an SAP CPI? Okay. The main concept of going with any of the integration platform is to integrate one system with another system. Okay. The word integration is here the important word. The word integration. Okay. The word integration is very, very important word that means a lot here in the SAP CPI platform. Okay. Now the integration word will be related to the CPI. Okay. Now the CPI stands for Cloud Platform Integration. Okay. The CPI stands for Cloud Platform Integration. Now the CP stands for Cloud Platform, I stands for Integration. Okay. Now here you are able to hear the word called as cloud. Correct? Now you are able to hear the word called as cloud. It means the data and the integrations and everything is happening on the clouds. Okay. Now you may get the question, what is the cloud? What is the meaning of cloud here? Okay. It's a very, very simple. You should have to understand this difference between what is the cloud and what is the on-prem. We have two architectures. Okay, we have two architectures in the landscape. One is on-premises and one is cloud. One is on-premises and one is cloud architecture. Now concentrate here. Now what is the on-premises architecture and what is the cloud architecture? Now I will give you simple example to you that you just understand these two concepts in simple example. Okay. Now I have one application called as Book My Show. Okay. Or you can also consider Excel sheet. Okay. You can see this is one Excel sheet, correct? Now I will open this Excel sheet. Okay. Now if you see here, this Excel sheet is now empty. Okay, there is nothing here. Now I'll try to enter some content. Okay, now I will try to enter some content here in this Excel sheet. Okay. Now, will this Excel sheet consumes the memory or not? I'm asking the question. If I enter the data here, suppose in my system there is 5 GB of memory. Okay. Now I'll try to enter 1 GB of data here in this Excel sheet. Okay. Now what is the memory available in my system?
4 GB.
Yeah.
4 GB, sir.
4 GB because this 1 GB is consumed by this Excel sheet. Okay. Now this is called as on-prem system architecture. Okay. It means the software should be installed within your system. Now I installed the Excel sheet in my system. Now when you try to enter any of the data, your system will consume the memory. Okay. Now whatever the data you enter will be stored within your system level. That is why we called it as on-premises. If the data stores within the system level or within the company, that is called as on-premises architecture. Okay. Now I'll just not save this, and now I will have open Google Sheets. Now I am opening this Google Sheets, which is running on the internet. You can see I am not installed any software here. It is directly running on the internet. Now here also I am trying to enter the data. Okay, but your system memory will not consumed by this application, because this data will be stored somewhere in the cloud database. Okay, this is not your system database. This is hosted by Google and you are trying to access their applications. Okay, the database and everything is now settled on one place, that is called as cloud. Now that one place also we consider as America or Germany, Japan. Okay, the database is located in Germany, Japan and other locations. Okay, that is called as cloud applications. The clouds are not nothing but sky or somewhere. It is some other place that we called as cloud. But when it comes to on-prem, the everything will be stored and installed within the company level or within the system level. That is called as on-prem. Okay, now you got the difference between on-prem and cloud. Or do you have any questions? Hello, I am asking, do you have any questions?
No, Chandra.
No, no questions.
Bro, can you explain on-premises one more time? Hello.
Hello, am I audible or not?
Yeah, no, okay.
Yeah, I'm asking a question that do you understand the concept or not? On premises and
Bro,
cloud.
bro, can you explain on-premises one more time?
Yeah, okay. Now the word on premises stands for any data that you need to store within your organization level, because the data is not exposed to everyone. You have to store your data within your company level, or you can store the data within your system. That is called as on premises. Suppose let's take one company. Okay, let's take IBM company. That IBM company stores the information within their company level. Okay, they will not interact with the Google applications and they will not interact with Microsoft or in any applications. It will not interact. It stores all the data within the IBM company. Okay, then it is called as on premises architecture. Suppose if I take another company, Infosys will be interact with Google and the company data will be stored on the Google applications. Or Infosys will try to interact with the Azure or Microsoft and they will try to store the data into the Microsoft. Then Infosys will be the cloud system and IBM will be the on-premise system. Okay, got it? Or still you have any questions?
Got it, bro.
Okay, the data in the sense the personal data, the employee phone number and employee ID, Aadhaar, all is called as the data. Okay, if they want to store that same data in the within the database in the company level, that is the on-prem architecture. and if they want to interact with the Google accounts or any other accounts to store the data, that is called as cloud application. Okay, now here the word CPI stands for cloud platform integration. It means everything the integration is happening on premises or cloud. Where the integration will happen as per this term cloud platform integration.
In cloud.
Yeah,
Cloud.
here it's clearly mentioned that C, cloud platform integration. The integration, everything will be happen on the cloud. It means the data for the CPI will be stored somewhere, not in the system level. Okay, till here clear? Correct? I'll jump into the next topic. Okay, now in CPI we are discussing about the word integration. Correct? Now why we need to do the integration? Okay, now first of all, what is the integration means? Now you have system A. Okay, let's consider this is your Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart application, and you have another application called as SBI account. Okay, SBI account card or your any of the SBI application. Now you are trying to purchase one item. Okay, you are trying to purchase one item called as scooter, or you can also take an example of bag or anything. Okay, you are trying to purchase bag from the Flipkart. Now you have to buy 200 rupees for this. Okay, for this bag cost is 200 rupees. So you need to interact with your SBI account to get the 200 rupees. Correct? Because while you are check out this product, it is asking for the payment gateway, right? So this 200 rupees you will not be directly pay without any of the bank accounts. Correct? You have to connect your bank account and you have to get some amount from them. Okay, if you already have the amount in the bank account, now let's consider you have 5,000 rupees in your bank. Okay, now from the 5,000 you will get 200 rupees and you will pay for this bag and you will get this product bag. Okay, now to interact from one system to another system, there will be a middleware, all also called as integration tool. Okay, to integrate between application A to application B, we can use an application called as any integration tool, but now we will discuss about the CPI. Now why we need to integrate with CPI your application, either the Flipkart application or SBI account? Because here let's consider the data you are sending is different format. Okay, you are trying to send the data in the format of Hindi, let's assume Hindi. Okay, but the SBI account which understands only English. Okay, this SBI account will understand only English language, but the Flipkart system is trying to understand only Hindi. So the CPI will come to the picture and it converts the data from Hindi language to English language. Okay, you are trying to send content in the Hindi. Now it's reached to the CPI, then it converts the data in English and the output will be sent to the SBI account. Now that English language will be received by this system and this is happy. Now the SBI again will send a response back to the Flipkart system. Now in which format the SBI will send back the response, in which language?
English, sir.
English, correct. Now when it sends the response back to the Flipkart system, English, but Flipkart will not receive it because it understands only Hindi. Now what we need to do?
Maybe processing.
Yes, again we need to convert this from English to Hindi, then send Hindi language to the Flipkart system. So that is the reason the integration is come to the picture, to integrate with one system to another system. The source system, this is called as source system. The sender system, take a note of this. This is sender system, also called as source system. This is called as target system. Target system, also called as receiver system. Sender system or source system, and target system or receiver system. Now if I give you the simple definition for this, the CPI will convert the data from one format to another format by integrating with source system and target system. Okay, the source system and target system will be integrated and the data will be transferred from one system to another system. Till here clear? You get idea about what is the CPI?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
It's
Okay,
clear.
clear. Great. Now we have, let's consider system A and system B, and in middle we have CPI. Okay, this is called as sender system, and this is the CPI, and this is the receiver system. Okay, now this is the receiver system, sender system, and CPI. Now to integrate with sender system with the CPI and CPI to the receiver, you have to remember the word called as adapter. You have to remember the word called as adapter, also called as communication channel. Okay, the connection between sender system to the CPI will be happened here, right? Now this is called as adapter, also called as communication channel. Adapter, also called as communication channel. Okay, same again here. The CPI will interact with the receiver system, and again this interaction we called as adapter, also called as communication channel. Okay, now this system, sender system, will integrate with the CPI based on the adapter concept, and CPI will interact with the receiver system with the adapter concept. Okay, now I'll show you how the system will look like. Okay, you will get an idea. Okay, you just forgot about all these redirections and everything. I'll just show you how the sender system will connect with the receiver system based on the adapter concept. Okay, now if you see this picture, we have the sender system, which is the sender here, and you can see this receiver. Again, the receiver you can see here, and CPI. This part is CPI. Okay, sender, receiver, CPI. Now sender sends the data, and you just drag and connect to the CPI, and you can see there is the adapter. Okay, we connect to the sender to the CPI based on the adapter concept. Okay, we can consider simple adapter HTTPS. I'll explain you when we can use which adapter. Now the receiver system also will try to connect with the receiver system. The CPI will connect to the receiver system again with the different adapter or same adapter. Now the sender system is connected with the CPI based on the adapter concept. Okay, now this is the connection we see. This is the adapter. Now this is the again the adapter. Now the sender system will sends the data to the CPI, and CPI will receives the data, and CPI will send the data to the receiver system. Okay, this is the scenario where the data will be sending and receiving. Okay, this picture is clear for everyone.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
clear.
Charan.
Yeah. Okay, now I'll show you simple example. Okay, that sends the data from sender system to the receiver system. Okay, you will get an idea, but configuration part, don't worry, I'll explain you. Yeah, okay, now this content I want to transfer from one application to another application. Okay, now the receiver application I used mail. Okay, my mail system. Okay, now here you can see we don't have any mails currently. The last mail is at this time. Now me. Okay, here we got 200. Okay, now I'll go to my receiver system. Now here you can see I'll just now received CPI demo. Hi team, welcome to SAP CPI training. It means one system is integrated with another system by help of CPI. Okay, I am not trying to send mail directly from here, correct? But no one is trying to send, but the system is trying to send an mails. Okay, now I am sending the data to the CPI. CPI is trying to send the data to the receiver system. Okay, so this is the simple example that says the integration between two systems to transfer the data. The sender system means this is the so and so system is trying to send to the CPI and CPI is trying to send to the mail system. Okay, this is how the integration will happen. Clear? This configurations and everything you can forget for now. Okay, I'll explain you each and every configuration, but just understand sending data and receiving the data to the receiver system. Clear? Or any questions to
Yes,
anyone?
clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay.
Clear.
Now, do you have any questions or anything? You can let me know. Any questions related to the course?
What is
Charan,
the duration, Kara?
Yeah, it's a 30 hours training. It will be around 40 days.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Every day the same timings or timings will change.
Yeah, we will let you know. Like it should be around 8 to 9 or 9 to 10. Like these two time slots are available. So we will fix either 8 to 9 or 9 to 10.
Okay.
8 to 9 is okay.
Yeah, okay.
8 to 9 is
This
API
conference
management,
will
we
now be
cover the
recorded.
open connectors and we cover all most of the Groovy scripts we have and XSLT mapping
Okay,
and each
will
and
you
every
be
parent function.
yeah, yeah. Will you be give a explanation about Groovy scripting also in this training session, right?
Yeah, like not with the 3 hours training with the Groovy script, but for at least one training session I'll take for the Groovy script and XLT mapping. Because if we
Okay.
start with the Groovy again, that will take an around 15 to 20 classes. It's not an simple topic that we covered in one or two classes, the Groovy. because if you understand the basics of the Groovy, then only you can understand the exercises or the real-time project.
Okay. Yeah. Will you be cover the API for success factors?
uh, I will cover like in the point of what is an success factor APIs and what is the OData and SF APIs and how can we integrate it with the success factor system.
Okay. How many sessions will you be covered for success factors only for OData API?
No, with the success factor, it's only one session.
Oh, is it? Okay. Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any separate sessions covering for training during the training session for success factor only OData API for success factors to CPA?
We had a session like last 1 month back. I took only for the success factor. Now need to see to cover with the success factor within any upcoming classes or not.
Okay.
I'll let you know if I'll let Uday know if there is any possibility.
So why I'm asking is basically I'm from the success factors team. I have total 6 years of experience in success factors. Recently, I have entered into the CPI audit API. I'm just understanding about these API, how the integration is happening, going on. So most of the my iFlows are dependent on all the integration is depends on success factors API only. So
Okay.
I want more concentrated on success factors. If it is possible only for success factors to CPI integration, I will be join. Uh,
Yeah. Okay. That I'll let you know
yeah,
too with Uday, and because the
yeah, yeah.
other
Please.
people who are from the non-technical background or PIPO, they don't have the idea about the CPI. Like I have to start
Yeah.
with the scratch with the CPIs, so then I can go with an advanced concepts.
Okay. Is there any another trainee for only for success factors to CPI integration in
No,
Triguna?
no,
Or,
no.
yeah?
That Uday will
No,
know.
that will tell you. Yeah, I'll tell you that. Please ask about the only CPF or no. No SF here actually.
No, no. I'm not asking success factors training. I'm asking about only CPI related APIs only.
Actually, we have the content with me. Please ping me to my uh, WhatsApp. I'll share everything. What all we covered.
Okay.
We have the content with us. Okay, na? Yeah. So anything else, guys? Charan, is it fine, right?
Yeah, this is enough. We can wind up the call for now.
Yeah. Thanks all for joining. Who all new? Please ping me. Yeah, we'll update the things to you. Yeah. Thanks, sir. Thanks for joining. Bye.